I am talking about Caterpillar stocks. Here you can see the stock's price, which is $842, and these stocks make today return more than 1% negative return, which is very poor return. In the last 5 days, these stocks make approximately 4% return. In the last 1 month, these stocks lose market valuation approximately 10%. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 6 months, these stocks make 13% return, which is good, and the last year to date return, which is 14%, which is very positive return. In the last 1 year, these stocks 12 money for investors. Okay. In the last 5 years, these stocks make good return, 300% gain. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And these stocks make from starting to at this moment 291x return, which means 29,000%. Okay, so these stocks make much more return, but at this moment these stocks lose on market valuation. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing, and follow for more US stocks breakdown.